Stop choosing suppliers only by the lowest code. If you are tired of night calls, last minute expedites, and explaining delays to management, then listen to this. Today, I will share with you 5 signs how a supplier will make your life easier, lesser surprises, smoother launches, and more evenings where you actually get to go home on time. Hi, I am Rahul Agarwal. I work with global teams sourcing from India, and my goal is simple: help you think sharper and reduce your risk. I know your day is a balancing act, from beginning with price pressure, PPAP deadlines, production ramp ups, and zero room for line stoppage. One missed tolerance, one delayed container, and suddenly you are firefighting with customers, plant heads, and finance team. You want suppliers who do not add work. You want partners who reduce your workload. You want predictability, clean documentation, and proactive communication, and not excuses. That's not a luxury, that's the survival in sourcing. Many teams still judge suppliers on seeing a beautiful brochure, a beautiful plant tour, and a price sheet. On the surface, everything looks fine. ISO certificates on the wall, shining machines, confident sales talk. But the real trouble hides in the process details. Drawings signed, but no PFMEA or control plan behind it. Great lab reports, but no GR and R to show the gauges are reliable. Capacity promises, but no bottleneck analysis or run at rate. We can do it attitude, but no change control when engineering updates come. I have seen this play out. A supplier passes samples, then stumbles in mass production because the heat treatment window is not locked, or traceably breaks down under volume. Our inspection is final only and no in-process control. The result of this: rework, premium freight, and your weekend is gone. The painful truth is, most sourcing pain is not from capability. It is from weak process discipline and weak communication. Here's the truth: the best suppliers are a little boring. No drama, no heroics. Just clear system that prevents surprises. Isn't that awesome? Use this 5-sign checklist to judge if a supplier will actually make your life easier. Sign number 1: process proof and not just promises. You can ask for a PFMEA document, control plan, and a sample SPC chart for critical dimension. Look for a real GR&R study for key gauges. If they hesitate, that's a red flag. Sign number 2: capacity, truth, and run at rate. Request a bottleneck map and a cycle time versus takt time. See an hour run at rate with first pass yield. Check their changeover time and die maintenance plan. Sign number 3: traceability that works under pressure. Heat-wise and lot-wise traceability from steel to final part. Ask them to trace a random part backwards. Material test certificates linked to each lot, not generic assurances. Sign number 4: early warning communications. A weekly dashboard, orders, WIP, risk, and corrective actions. A single owner for your account with escalation rules. Do they send a risk raised mail before you ask for it? Sign number 5: discipline in quality and learning. 8D responses within 24 to 48 hours for any non-conformance. Evidence of lessons learned feeding back into PFMEA and control plans and not just saying we have trained the operators. If a supplier shows you these 5 signs without any drama, they will cut your workload, not add to it. For example, a mid-sized agriculture equipment company shifted a family of forged and machined yokes to an Indian supplier. The first supplier won on price and quick promises. Samples passed, PPAP was okay. During ramp up, hardness started deviating. The root cause was heat treatment soak time varied by operator. No robust control plan, no real time logs, and inspection was only at the end. They moved to a supplier who insisted on process proof first, a clear PFMEA, control limits for furnace parameters, calibration records, and an operator independent recipe. They ran a 1-hour run at rate with SPC charts and traceable lots. Lead time improved by 1 week, premium freight dropped to 0, and most importantly, the sourcing manager's phone stopped ringing at 10 pm. Same country, same part, very different systems. Stop rewarding confidence, reward evidence. A supplier who will make your life easier is the one who shows you how they think, how they control, and how they communicate even before you ask. Use these 5 signs as your filter to choose a forging supplier. Number 1, process proof. Number 2, capacity truth. Number 3, traceability. Number 4, early warning communication. Number 5, quality discipline and learning. If even 2 are missing, then you are buying future stress. If all 5 are present, you are buying peace of mind. Ask yourself which current supplier would still look strong if you removed the sales slide and only judged on these 5 signs. I would love to hear from you. What's one silent risk you spotted too late, and how would these 5 signs have exposed it earlier? Share your experience. It can save someone else a weekend. Thank you. See you in my next video.